Well, hello everyone. This is my final project for CS50 Python. So I'm a dentist and I thought it would be a good idea to make an application for dentists and medical professionals to help them extract patient information from images and then save them in a structured format in a CSV file. So right here I have 3 different images with random patient information in different formats and different data order. So let's see how it works. So right here I need to enter the image name or the path to the image file. As you can see, it extracts all the text found in the image. And then it asks you whether you want to parse the patient's information from this text. If you say yes, it's going to show you a dictionary or a JSON formatted text that has all the information found, all the patient information found in this text. Name, age, medical complaint, procedure, medications. And as you can see, the visit date found in the image is different. It's differently formatted from the one in the dictionary. So I thought that different images are going to have different formats, so it would be a good idea to reformat them to a standard format to be consistent in the CSV file. If you want to save this information to the CSV file, you say yes, and it's going to create a patient CSV file that has all of the information that you just found in this image. Do you want to process another image? Yes, let's try with this one. If you enter the image name, it's also going to extract all the information. Yes. Another dictionary with different information. And if you say yes, it's going to append to the CSV file that was just created. And let's try with the third one. Do you want to process another image? Yes. Again, it extracts all the information regardless of the format. Yes. And if you say no, it's going to exit the program.